and I can just ask a language model and get support all day long, all through the night. Like it's so fun once you sort of break out of the box of what it's capable of. But to get those basics down and to start playing with the column of, the tasks that LLMs are good at, the summarization, the language translation, start thinking outside of the box and the tasks that you do every single day and play around to see how ChatGPT can really accelerate what you're doing. And a little trick I like to do is I have a couple monitors up in my office, and one monitor I'll just have like Gemini or ChatGPT on that monitor at all times, and it serves as like this visual cue. I'll be struggling through something and I'll think, wait a minute, this Excel formula can be written by ChatGPT. What am I doing?
Well,
right?
That's cool.
And so it's so nice to have I need like something visual to remind me of this stuff, but that has served me really, really well. And I know others enjoy that too.